Magnum glazed shrimp, people. Ooh, that is it. Fully active with plantain fries. Fully active, my father. Cook and vibe. Fully active. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Big up yourself, people. Today we are cooking something different again. Today we are cooking Magnum shrimp with plantain fries. That is it, people. Magnum glazed shrimp today. As you can see, I've got these Argentinian red shrimp. You see me? They're a bit bigger than the normal shrimp. I thought they'd be quite nice. So all you're gonna need for the shrimp is, well, I'm using this Maggi fish seasoning, some paprika, some cayenne pepper, got a Scotch bonnet there, brown sugar, and of course, the star of the show, the Magnum. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is it. That is what you're gonna need. First things first, what you're gonna do, people, is we're gonna season the shrimp. I've already washed and cleaned them. So next, we're gonna season them with the paprika, the cayenne pepper, and a little bit of this fish seasoning. I'm not gonna use all of it. And that is the first step. See it there? Shrimp seasoned. So you're not gonna cook these yet because these are gonna cook quite quickly. So what you're gonna do next is get busy with the glaze. All right, so let me show you how we're gonna do the glaze. That is it. First things first, Magnum, people. You know what I'm saying? So you wanna get some Magnum in there. That should be enough. Now we are gonna warm this up until it gets a little bit warm, and then we're gonna add in the brown sugar. So as that's warming up, I didn't use all of this fish seasoning. I just wanna get a little bit in this in here because I wanna take away a little bit of the, how do I explain it? You know, when you drink a Magnum, like the strength of it, we're trying to take a bit of that out of it, which will come out as we cook it in here. But some little seasonings will blend it up nicely as well. Little paprika, some cayenne pepper. That is it. So what we're gonna do, people, is you see with the Scotch bonnet. So what I'm gonna actually do is just take out the seeds. I don't want to get my hand on that there. That is it. Yeah, good. I didn't know if he was recording or not. So yeah, I'm gonna take out the seeds, and that is what we're gonna add. Yes, we're gonna we're not gonna add the Scotch bonnet. We're gonna add these seeds. It won't be that spicy. It looks more spicy than you think, but trust me, we're gonna add them to the glaze. That is it, people. Call them pepper seeds gone, maybe sneeze. So now, you wanna get some brown sugar in there. I'd say about 2.5 teaspoons. Actually, let me just check and see if I've got something quickly. I didn't see this at the start. I didn't say this at the start. Honey. Yeah, add some honey to this, people. About that much. That and the sugar make it nice and thick. So you just want to give it some attention and some care, and it soon thicken up. At this point, you can start putting your shrimp. Well, actually not yet. A couple minutes first, and then we'll put the shrimp on the grill. That's it. Yeah, we're gonna grill them. So you can get them ready for now. You'll be able to tell when it's getting to a certain consistency. Mine is pretty much nearly there. So I'm gonna put the shrimp on from now. You know what I'm saying? That is it, people. Magnum glazed shrimp. And then plantain fries. Yes! All you're gonna need is plantain and some oil. Yeah, that is it. Simple thing, people. I will show you how I will cut up the plantain. That is it, fully active. And then, after a few minutes, you would have a lovely glaze. Just like that, people. Shrimps are pretty much done. We're gonna coat them and just chuck them all in here. Now, all you gotta do next is you get the rest of the Magnum. You tip it into a glass like that. Add a little bit of Red Bull. And then that is it. That's a new one for you. People, anytime I drink rum, anytime I drink Magnum, Dragon Stout, Guinness, anything, I mix it with Red Bull. Magnum, just a little bit in there. Breaks up the taste nice and easy. And you drink your drink, make the shrimp taste better. Shrimps are ready. Look at them babies. Yeah. So we're now gonna coat them in the glaze. That is it, people. Now we can just chuck the shrimp straight in the glaze. If you ain't pressed the like button, please do. It gets the video moving and gets it in the algorithm better. I would really appreciate it. If you ain't subscribed already, please do the right thing and big up anybody that's subscribed already. Now, what we're gonna do is just give them a good mix round. Yeah, exactly what I was thinking. They're looking sexy, they're smelling sexy. Oh, look at them, people. Nice. That is it. Fully active. We're just gonna leave them there for a sec and put them out on the plate. So, for the plantain fries, you wanna peel your plantain, obviously, and then pretty much just cut them into fries shapes. So what we do is we'll cut it one time down the middle, and then we'll cut it there. We'll also cut it here, and this bit here as well. So I was concentrating on people. As you can see, you should end up with something like that, and then all you're gonna do is you're just gonna cut it down like so to make fries, just like that. And that is how you're gonna fry it. As you can see, here are my plantain fries, ready to go. Get your oil heated up, people. Fully out in my father. That is it. Fry up the plantain fries them. You see me? Good vibes, people. Few minutes, man. These won't take too long. You get me? As you can see, these ones are pretty much done. These are the ones we've done already. Mad thing. That's how you really want them looking. Another about 30 seconds. So these ones there, people. Shrimp them already. Plantain fries are ready. Magnum shrimp and plantain fries. Good vibes. People, you know, you can tell me if I'm lying or not, but This looks good. Look at them plantain fries. And look at the shrimp. Ooh! Magnum glazed shrimp. Look at them. It's a mad thing. The Magnum bottom is now empty. But we've still got Magnum in there. Look how sexy they look, people. That is it. Plantain fries, Magnum glazed shrimp. Sprinkle some salt on top of the plantain fries, people. Taste time, people. Plantain fries. Works really well. Dip it in that glaze. That's good. Star of the show, Magnum shrimp. Dip that in that glaze. You can't taste Magnum. There's a nice spice in there. There's a kick. It's not too sweet. It's not too savory. It's perfect. Follow them exact instructions. Believe me. Can dip the fries. Amazing. Very good. People, big up yourself. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I'll see you again very soon. Big up.